I arrived in Montauban in the south of France, where my parents, Jewish immigrants, were refugees. And I say to my parents, in 50 years, there won't be any border between Germany and France. That after 45, nobody could imagine what we have today. In the debate that now Europe has, no country alone could stand this debate with the United States. The people has understand the importance of Europe, even if they don't agree with the politics in Europe. And the Brexit was this, that from the beginning, Thatcher, we go in Europe for the market, but we don't like it. You will see, I'm not sure that I will be in, that in the next 10 to 20 years, if they go out, they will come back. But to stay alone won't function. I dream in a European Republic or United States of Europe. We need a European constitution. At the end, if we have a European sovereignty, this sovereignty has to have a political, ideological base. Because it's the only way then that we can be master, not of the universe, but of the European Union. Thank you.
The EU will stay one of the major global economies, and the single market, even at 27, will still have 440 million consumers. The whole point of the single market is to have the same rules. And you can't have the benefits of Norway with the level of obligations of Canada. Each model is a balance of rights and obligations. And as long as there is a balance of rights and obligations, we would be, I think, very happy to have the UK as close as possible.
The necessity to deal with these global challenges is absolute. Sustainability is the intent, the intellectual effort to try to make sure that in any decision making you look at environmental, social and economic implications at the same value.
I say to myself regularly, if you're not part of the solution, then you're part of the problem. I don't distinguish between business on one side and NGOs or environmental activists on the other side. It's a completely mixed picture that we have. There is no black and white on most issues. On some issues there clearly is. I like to deal with people in business who, are part of the solution.